Hey guys, Pops97 here, and this is my Rockin Raver Frankenstein here, and I got one in the mail right here. Here's the box. I'm not gonna show the top of the box, because it has the address and stuff on the top. But this was sent to me by someone named Kevin, which he collects grave ravers. He has a YouTube channel, and I'll link it in the description as well. Anyways, so he sent me his to get fixed. His has this part snapped, I'm pretty sure, and the gears are split for both mechanisms, I think, and the mechanism is taken apart, so I'm gonna have to, assemble it back together with new gears in it. And I may have to 3D print a new piece for right here. I don't know. It depends on how messed up it is, really. And it also has some cracks on the base, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox it. What the heck? I can see Cheez-It, like a part of a Cheez-It box. What the heck? Oh crap. Alright. What the heck? Alright. So, here's the head. What the heck? Let's see. They look pretty much the same. Let's put that there, I guess. Same year and everything. There was only 1 year of the Frankenstein Rockin Ravers. Here's, I'm assuming, the bottom and middle part of the body. Yep. And he said I can have the tag if I give him a brand new base, so, because mine never came with the tag. Anyways, let's, I guess, take this part off the body. Hold on. Shouldn't be too difficult. Alright. And there you go. See, no batteries, alright. I guess the sound was loud, I guess that's why I did that. Yeah, month 5, 2013. That's the same with mine. Oh, we did include batteries. Oh, there we go. It's just the button's hard to push. Alright. It's got a lot of tape on the mechanism too. I'm gonna have to take that off. And I'm gonna take the tape off because he told me it was blurring out. I think that's probably why he did that. So yeah, and here's the scope, the Frankenstein face and everything. Alright, so yeah, it's got some cracks here and there. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll do a repair video probably. Or maybe not. I don't know. It depends, but oh crap, it's sideways. Hopefully I did not record a lot of it sideways. What the heck? Anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.